Inilibot ng host city ang mga delegado sa kanilang syudad. Ito ay para ipakita kung paano nila ginagawang mas healthy at ligtas ang Paris, France. Walkable city pa rin ang Paris. Meron pa mga pollution detectors para masigurong maganda ang air quality ng syudad. Tuloy din ang paglilinis sa River Seine.
For me, it was an obsession, you know. I wanted to transform the city, and I am very committed with ecological policies. We need to accelerate the transformation about bicycle lines, mobility, about cleaning the River Seine. It was so important for us to adapt the city to the climate change.
Ang Healthy City Summit ay pagkakataon para sa 74 member cities na maibahagi ang mga programa nila kontra non-communicable diseases at mga sakuna. Hindi nagpahuli ang Team Quezon City ng Pilipinas. Ibinida nila ang tuloy-tuloy na pagsusulong ng kanilang Calorie Count Ordinance. Phase 1 na nito sa Disyembre matapos mailabas ang IRR nito.
Nakakatuwa kasi kahit yung small, yung mga exempted sa yung mga small, medium enterprises ay nag-uumpisa ng magsubok maglagay. Yung maliliit na stores ng coffee shops, nakita na namin na merong naglalagay na sila ng calorie labeling. Hindi sila yung una, hindi sila yung phase 1, pero trying na to at least have calorie labels sa kanilang menu.
Ikinatutuwa ng isang opisyal ng World Health Organization ang mga health programs sa Southeast Asia kasama ang Pilipinas.
And we have a very strong collaboration both with Bangkok and Manila on all of these issues. Of course, they are mega cities, large populations, very diverse, big inequality. So it is not like you can change things overnight, but there are solid approaches taking place in both of these cities and in many other cities in the region.
Ngayong taon, kinilala ang mga polisiya ng Cordoba, Argentina, Fortaleza, Brazil at Greater Manchester, UK dahil sa maraming buhay ang nailigtas.
And I want to thank the teams of those cities and everyone here for the work you do every day. It really is helping to save and improve an awful lot of lives. And even with everything going on in the world, that should put a smile on your face today.
Nag-uulat mula sa Paris, France, Jovi Francisco para sa 1PH.